In this tutorial, we will show you how to add unavailability. First, navigate to the Workers tab, and click Staff Unavailability. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add unavailability details on this page. Select the applicant from the workers list and details of the time you are unable to work. Also select whether you want this day to be recurring every week or not with a descriptive reason about your unavailability. Once done, press the Save Record button and you will see a confirmation message. Workers can also submit unavailability requests via mobile app. By default, all requests submitted by workers will be approved. In order to decline a request, simply manage the status and submit desired remarks. All approved requests are marked with a red flag and exclamation mark on roster view in front of the applicant's requested date. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.